Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys stopping back in. We took a little break like we sometimes do, but it's winter time. We got the shop kind of back in order, and we're going to be bringing back some crawfish patterns for you today. This one's pretty cool. This is a great early spring pattern, and I even use it a little bit here in the winter. So you know, you need that about 55 to 60 degree water temp, clear water, really strong pattern. I think you guys will like it. So let's go spray some paint. All right, let's get to this crawl pattern. We got a deep little in, and we've already base coated it. We've done kind of a bone white. We're going to leave a little bit of that in certain areas. Really going to be inconspicuous, but now we're going to dust the throat and a little of the belly, not all the way to the tail. And then some yellow on the sides and the upper half. We're not looking for complete coverage here because we're going to fill in a lot of different colors on this particular bait. I think I got my camera all backwards. We're just going to lay a little green in. Freehand. I'm using my stencil here to just kind of have an idea of, I want that to come up in that area. Just going to be mixing a few colors in, and next up we're going to brighten that tail up. Seeing a lot of baits nowadays that's got this kind of bright orange or red or whatever your secondary colors are. They're starting to paint that tail, and I like it. It looks pretty cool. So we're gonna kind of mimic some of that. Next up, we're going to come in with some red. Well, this ain't a red. This is a kind of a reddish brown. If I can get it to spray here. Kind of red spot there. Let's do a little quick heat set. Come back and this green a little bit thicker. Alright, we'll lay on our Craw stencil. Okay, we want to finish off our top here. Let's see. Alright, we're also going to add some detail to the bottom. Just going to put a few lines, a few segments on this back half. Couple more things we need to do to this. I don't know what we're going to call that. It reminds me of watermelon. We're going to do a little bit of some dark splatter, and we're also going to have to add the eyes. So, paint our eyes on, and we're going to turn this thing in. Now on these deep little ends, just going to put that eye right there. Right there. All right, so what do you guys think? But incorporating some of these other colors of brown and kind of leaving some yellow in it. Also probably going to change the way I do some of these red spots in there. I usually just tap them with a end of a paintbrush or a nail or something like that. But anyhow, guys, good to be back in the booth. Hope you guys like this one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and by all means leave comments. Till next week, Green Country Baits signing out.